Peugeot Boxer 2021 plate, camper version. So with this, we've got an M66 version 2. So currently right now the system is armed up. If I put the key in the vehicle, turn the ignition on, see I can't start the car because it's dead. You'll notice I will start to get my notifications for a phone call. The app will also go red on here. I can disarm the system, go into servicing mode and shutting the system vehicle off. I have tracking notifications as well as notifications coming through on an app. So if I switch the vehicle off now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disarm the system. So on the button, on the tags that you get given, you press the tag. That allows us to now put the key in the vehicle and start the vehicle as normal. That's the M66 version 2.